Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs watching a movie or a show. I'm not sure which one. And today, I'm just going to unbox this. I needed an overhead to hold my camera, overhead arm to hold my camera, and it has a light on it in case I was solving Rubik's Cube or my Mega Mix or something like that. And I can do a nice overhead view. Plus, when I do cube training, they want me to have a camera over so they can see what I'm doing. So, or he, Dylan Miller. I forget what's Dylan Miller's website. Oh, I forget. Solving with Dylan Miller, maybe .com. So if you're interested in getting lessons to solve the Rubik's Cube, look him up. Solving with Dylan Miller, I believe it's called. I'll look it up and put it right here so you guys can see it. So far, so good. I had 2 lessons and they were good. They're helping me out. It's packed pretty nicely. As you can see, this was on top. There's the light portion. Yeah, it's packed pretty nicely. Let's see what we got here. Some accessories to hook up the light. A heavy duty accessory right here to hook up a camera, I believe. A remote control to operate your phone. The part that you connect your phone to. The clamp that clamps onto your desk. This looks like a suction cup. I'm not sure. It's just a stand. It looks like. Not sure how that works. I'll figure it out. And the arm. So they got this thing packaged pretty good. I'm very impressed. And that's the arm. Very nice light. And it has memory, on and off button. And it has 4 buttons on this, so we'll figure it all out. There's the clamp right there. Alright, so what does that clamp onto there? There you go. This clamps onto the table, this clamps onto there, this clamps on the back of that, and it's rubber so it won't ruin your... So I got that down packed. Alright, I'm going to put this thing together, which is not hard. You just have to clamp it on this thing right here. Looks like it's pretty good, it's pretty well built. There's a lip right here, so I couldn't get all the way in, but if you tilt it, it looks like it's, and it has this, you can, within stuck, but then you can push it through. Nice. Yep. That ain't coming off. That goes there. Tighten that up so it won't fall on you. Oh good, this rotates. If you loosen it up, this rotates a lot. See that? That's good. It looks like it's heavy duty, so that's nice. It goes on top of there like that. Nice. So assembly is pretty easy. Tighten that up. Now I have it upside down. It's holding it, so that's good. So if I was doing a front facing, I don't always need my tripod anymore. I can just use that. Welcome to the Gonzo Book. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So if I wanted to point it towards my screen, I could. Yeah, I like it. This is how it does overhead. Okay. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah. So if I was doing something, that my cube instructor would have to see, you can see it better now. Yeah, cool. I really like that. And then I always have to set up my tripod all the time. So I gotta set up the light too, which I did not do yet. Yeah, I like this so far. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a nice review. Connect the light like this, and then I can use this light whenever I'm not using my camera. And you know, you gotta tighten all these up so it won't move on you. All right, my phone is heavy, so. Ooh. Oh yeah, you gotta push it over here. Oh, that's cool. And then you can move your phone up and down like this to get the best view. Tighten it up. All right, let me tighten this up. So I gotta put my heavy phone on there. Yep, good. Yeah, I can see it on the screen, and in case I wanted to see it. Cool. So yeah. All right. I got the orange cross. Red, yellow, yep, this is in the right spot, so I gotta do that. Did that do it? I think so, yeah, it did. Turn it upside down, put red on the bottom. Does this officially make me color neutral? Look at that, that's cool. So, yeah, so I like this overhead look. It's nice. That is nice. So if I'm working here, I just need light. I'm good. I love it. Can you guys see it? All right, let me get this thing in proper position. Nice. Oh, good. The buttons are actually facing you. So that's warm. That might be cool. No, that's cool. Warm, regular light, cool light. Like a blue, kind of like a blue light. I think that's why they call it a cool light. Let me see. I'm not sure if I'm using the proper terminology. Okay, here we go. Can you see it on my glasses? Okay, that's on and off, and this is the brightness. That's how bright the warm light is. That's how bright the regular light is, and that's the cool light. I like this a lot. It's pretty nice. And, you know, I'm right here. I don't have to worry about my my tripod being in my way. It's out of the way. I'm actually have it connected to my computer, and so it's charged. I don't know if it has a battery in it. I'm going to say no. I think you have to have it plugged in. But it'd be nice if it had a battery to it. But you can always buy a small battery pack. You know, strap it here and then connect it. And then, like I said, it comes with this remote here. And this is to your phone, so you Bluetooth your phone to take your picture. So you won't lose your remote. You can attach it to this. Yeah, and then hang it up somewhere until you need it. So yeah, I like that. Let me see. That's the and let me just shut all the lights off. All right, time for some ghost stories. Cool. Okay. Yeah. You can still see me, and it's good. And the background is dark. You know, one day I might forget to clean my room, and I don't want you to see it, so I just make it dark. So that's cool. Let's see the light one more time. That's the cool light, which is nice. Ooh, warm, nice. That's the bright light. Let's see what happens when you use. Yeah, it's washing me out. It's illuminating me, but it's washing me out. Let's see. That's the cool light, and that's the warm light, and that's the regular light. So having a two kind of washes me out a little bit. And then that's the cool light. Okay, I think you guys got the gist of it. Yeah, this is a good buy. I'm definitely going to have all the information right here where you guys can buy. I'm going to try to get an affiliated link. So if you like it, if you click on the link in the description and you purchase it, I get like a little commission because I promoted it. You know, it's not a lot, but it it adds up if a lot of people click on it. So go ahead and do that if you're interested. And I'm done. So I'm going to give this thing a 5 out of 5. And I like it. It only costs about $35. Like I said, I'm going to put all the information right here so you guys can see. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Everything I hope for. Click on the link in the description. All night, all night. Click on the link in the description.